He claims he was assaulted into signing an already prepared statement. He consulted with the dentist in Rustenburg in the time between his two confessions. But Dr. Thabang Hlogo says there were no signs of assault.
Allegations have been made that this patient was assaulted, was choked, was electrocuted some 3 days prior to your examination. Now, what would your comment be given your clinical examination and clinical findings?
There were no prominent choking marks, but also given that the assessment of the patient was 3 days later.
He says Ntanzi also never told him of any assault.
The patient didn't state any sort of situation that maybe they feel they were assaulted in anyone. They didn't. So the only thing they stated from what we have from the report, it's them admitting that they probably had a heart condition in the mining accident that they had in 2014.
Hlogo was asked to examine whether Ntanzi had removed a gold tooth. This after the description that one of the intruders had a gold tooth on the night of the shooting. But his investigation found otherwise.
In this case, there were no findings regarding that, meaning there was no tooth that showed that there was a gold tooth the patient ever had that came out of the mouth.
The defense challenged his evidence.
With the little assessment that you did on the patient, you were not actually positioned to come and tell this court emphatically, or as a matter of fact, that the patient that you saw on that day, prior to him coming to you, he was assaulted. Do you have any comment?
No, I don't have any comment.
Thank you.
Then the state closes its case, Maloto, and the trial is in a trial.
Okay. The court will now hear the two accused case in the trial within a trial, and all indications are that both could be called to the stand to give their versions of how the alleged assault and torture occurred. Mangoba Mchunu, Pretoria.